What's going on, people? It's Donnie D, and I'm back in the kitchen for another video recipe. So I did a video a few weeks ago using the Power Fryer XL, which is this guy right here, on how to cook chicken in the air fryer, and I made it crispy. So I got some feedback from some people, and they asked me to do some more video recipes using the air fryer. So I have to give people what they want. So today I'm going to be using the air fryer Power XL again, and I'm going to be using shrimp as a protein, and I'm going to use some Louisiana fish fry to help coat it and give it some extra flavor and some texture. So if you're interested in watching that video, the link is in the description on the crispy chicken. But in the meantime, you came here for the crispy shrimp using the air fryer Power XL. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you how I make my magic happen. Cook fry. Okay, I will say the Power Air Fryer XL is a bad piece of machinery. This thing does its thing. So these shrimp are crispy. They're not as crispy as you would get if they were deep fried, but they're good enough, especially considering that you're not deep frying and you're still getting that crispy texture. But they are done, and I have a sauce that I prepared. And I won't give you all my secrets right now, but I tell you what, if you give me enough comments asking about the sauce, I will talk about that. And I also prepared the crispy shrimp with a homemade Greek salad. So I have feta cheese on there, white onion, but I normally do red onion, but I didn't have any, so I improvised. And also have some tomatoes and cucumbers, and then with capers. And also made the vinaigrette homemade, not a store-bought vinaigrette, so I control what's in it, not a lot of preservative, not a lot of extra fat. And the flavor is phenomenal. So what we're gonna do a taste. So it's pretty crispy. It's gonna get a little bit of a dip, just a little bit. And we're gonna taste it, so let's see. Looks good. Got a little bit of a crunch. Overall, I'm really satisfied how the shrimp turned out. I will say that the Louisiana fish fry is a really good seasoning, but you can use whatever seasoning that you want to use. That's what I chose to use. They have different flavors, or you can make up your own. But I would say that it's really important that you have something with some cornmeal in it that has some texture to it. That's what's going to help give it that crunch. I appreciate you watching, but I need 4 things from you: a like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, that button next to the subscription button that notifies you when I'm doing another video. 2 videos are going to be upcoming per week. 1 video on recipes, 1 video on fitness tips. I appreciate you watching. This is Donnie D. Till next time, peace.